Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jonathan. This is Off-Road Diaries. It is Friday, UTV Takeover. Last night we had a full-on monsoon. It was absolutely incredible. One of the most beautiful spectacles you'll ever see. It really was, guys. It was actually very sad. A ton of vendors lost their stuff. It was 60, 70 mile per hour winds. I've never honestly experienced anything like that. We were all outside kind of hanging out at a camp group with some friends, and it just started hailing sideways, and it was terrible, guys, and I feel really bad for the vendors, but in good spirit, positive message. Like I've said before, you have problems, you conquer them, and you keep going. There's no reason to let those problems stop you. The Off-Road Vixen girls, they were pretty lucky. Christine had her tents okay and everything.
Yeah, her and Bryce went at like 1 in the morning till 5 in the morning. They were picking up all their stuff. They were trying to pick up King Kongs, trying to pick up just other vendors out there trying to help clean up.
Well, they went out at 1 this morning?
Yeah.
I thought about it. I was sitting there and I was like, dang, I told everybody it was gonna rain at 1 and it's 1:15 and it's hailing like no tomorrow. And I was like, I should go out, but then I was like, what can I do by myself? Like, I can't get over there. And
it was so windy. Like,
I don't think our stuff actually got hit until like later this morning, because Dune Rats, they're right next to us. They said that they checked on our stuff at like midnight or 1. Yeah. And then
so at about 2 o'clock, all of a sudden it was just raining and the trailer was like blowing. I was like, oh, we going over.
It was crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Special shout out to this man right here, because the camera I'm recording on, he found in the sand.
Again?
Yeah.
You lost it in the sand again?
Why does everybody keep saying that? Yes, I lost my camera again. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man.
He came over in a panic this morning, and Clint's like, oh, I found a camera. I got a camera.
Yeah, he said it. Clint said it so nonchalantly, like it wasn't even a big deal, but he has no idea. It was a huge deal to me.
I figured it was yours.
Yeah.
I just hadn't told you yet.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you. So thank you to Clint. All right, guys, if you look, it looks like we've got the Pacific Ocean over there. Like, look at those white caps. So it's just crazy. Like, I mean, we went from wearing shorts, t-shirts, flip-flops to like that. Hush your mouth, woman.
Talk to me like that.
We ain't got time for that nonsense.
Hey, shout out to Envy Blankets.
Yeah,
for keeping
Envy
me
Blankets
and
keeping little baby Miles warm.
He's
got
all snuggled up in
it
there.
sucks because he's so cute right now.
Well, you can peek a leak.
He's got his little Dune Crew shirt on.
He's got a Dune Crew sweatshirt, an ATC,
and an ATC
beanie,
cap
and
on.
an Envy blanket, keeping him snug.
Keeping him snug.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
So, we're gonna race. We're gonna have fun. We're not gonna let no wind stop us, guys. NA class, turbo class.
I'm gonna go back.
Okay.
I love you. Good luck.
Yeah, let's go race, guys. Yeah, that's right, guys. The wind is absolutely crazy. Are you excited?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Got the racers lined up. Are you excited? All right, man. Hell yeah. Good luck to you, okay? Are y'all excited? Yeah, all right.
We sure are.
Who do you predict's gonna win this race? Who?
BJ's hard to beat. BJ is hard to beat. I'm excited to see how far Colt goes.
Oh yeah,
this round.
I think Colt may be the winner. Not that y'all aren't great drivers.
No, but his car
His car's just
fast.
crazy fast. And he's a good driver.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Good job.
Oh, we got the horns. All right, we got everybody getting ready. It's so windy that I don't even know if you guys are gonna hear what I'm saying. But it's time to rock and roll, baby, for the turbo class. Good luck, brother. Got Marissa there. Cody's over there. Colt's right there. We got Livy and Parker up there. I'm sorry, guys. It's a tornado. I can't even talk. Yeah, so maybe you can hear me now. It's freaking like, it's insane out there. I mean, it's so windy. Oh my God. All right, let's have some fun. All right, good news is I won that race. Bad news is I'm so stupid I forgot to press record. I always forget to press record. It's like the hardest thing in the world to do. But that was fun. I'm not gonna say that, I mean, the guy was in a 4-seater Can-Am. I think it's probably closer to stock, and he's on knobbies, but I'm sure he had fun as well. We're getting in there. Hey, at least we won one round. Well, guys, if I'm gonna lose a race, I'd like to lose it that close. That was a fun run. We're getting into the finals, guys. And you know what that means? Oh, let me put my eye protection on. We got just a few people left. Dallin did a great job, but I think at the end of the day, his car's just a little too long. We got Clinton up now. Okay, guys, so, I've lost a lot of footage. I don't know how, I don't know where, but I've lost a lot of vlogging that happened, and it's not adding up on why it didn't actually upload when I downloaded a lot of stuff. The numbers jump all around. Anyways, that's the end of the short course racing. Go to Whiskey Throttle SD, their YouTube channel. They've got a really good video. Colt killed it, absolutely killed it. I'm so proud of him. He worked so hard to get there, and at the end of the day, he was the best driver with the best car, and I'm so proud of him. Him and his brother Clint ended up battling it out for first and second. I couldn't be more proud of my friends and my family, the Whiskey Throttle School District. They're just such amazing people. I can't begin to tell you how much I love them. It was a great time. Everybody did good. Rowdy Hammers, he beat me by a hair. It's one of those things where we both gave it a good bit of driving, and he ended up winning, and congratulations to you. It was a lot of fun. I also just don't want to roll Patty Mayo, so I was probably about 80% into where I could have been as far as throttle goes, which isn't an excuse. I just don't want to wreck my car. I just wanted to have fun, which it was a lot of fun. Next video coming up is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be lot longer than this video, and I'm trying to find my footage for my Nikon for that as well. I don't know where it's disappeared to. The problem is I spent several days straight, probably 15 to 18 days straight of recording, and I was just going so much that like trying to upload it and organize it, that is my downfall, guys. So this trip coming up, we're heading back out of town soon for a good long period of time, and I'm definitely going to try to be more organized because it helps with editing. It's a lot harder with Krista. She's watching baby Miles now, and that's good. You know, she's taking great care of Miles. She's being a great mom. I couldn't ask for a better mom to my son, but she just doesn't have the opportunity to edit like she used to. So 99% of everything is now me, and it's a lot sometimes. To any of you YouTubers out there that do everything by yourself, I get it. It's hard. It's a lot. So that doesn't matter. The good news is it's Wednesday, the day the video is dropping off. Patty Mayo was able to get in the trailer in Glamis under her own power. She came off out of the trailer under her own power into the shop. I'm going to tear it down a little bit, do a few things, and then I'm getting Scarlett Johansson ready because I finally got a chance and free time to work on Scarlett Johansson, my RS1, because she's going back out to Glamis with us for New Year's. I love that car. It is such a fun car to drive. A boosted RS1 is no joke. So if you guys are new to our channel, stay tuned, because after the Glamis videos, I'm going to be doing some RS1 stuff and kind of going over that car that's just been sitting for a year. But she's coming from the dead finally, because I actually have free time now. But thank you guys. I'm kind of rambling. Sorry. I just kind of wanted to give y'all a little update to what's going on. I appreciate y'all so much. Krista appreciates y'all so much. I've got new merch that I'm dropping out this month. We have new merch that we're dropping out this month. A lot of new designs. I've kind of fallen off that, but it's my winter months now, so I don't work as much at the RV park, and I have a lot more free time. So lots of cool things coming. Next video on Sunday, I'm going to start working on it tonight. So actually I'm finally starting to catch up with schedule again. It's going to be a fun video. We go out and explore Sand Hollow, then we have Huckfest, and then the awards. It'll be a good long video for you guys that like long form stuff. Comment below, do you guys like longer videos or shorter videos? DDE is probably one of my morning channels that I watch almost every morning, and I like the 30-40 minute long videos, but do you? I don't know. I want you guys to be happy. So and I guess you can't always make everybody happy, but we've got some big things happening. We're about to start up Patreon, doing a lot of behind the scenes, more raw stuff, if you guys are interested in that. And yeah, so thanks for your support. Thanks for always showing us some love. I'm gonna upload this video real quick, and then after that, you guys will see this tonight. So next video, Sunday at 6, back to kind of our normal schedule, maybe 12. I don't really know. It'll be one of those times. And other than that, love you guys.